In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send documents already signed Pandadoc. Sometimes you need to share a document that has already been sent and signed, but you do not want to resend it for signature or recreate anything. In Pandadoc, the easiest way to do this is by generating a shareable link from the document that has already been sent. This gives the recipient a quick way to view the completed document, and it helps you avoid downloading files and attaching them manually. Start by going to your Pandadoc account and opening the document you want to share. Make sure it is the version that was already sent, and that you are opening it from your sent documents. Once the document is open, look toward the top right corner of the page. You will see a button labeled Invite. Click Invite to open the sharing options for that specific document. After you click Invite, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, select the option that says Share via Link. This option is designed specifically for sharing access using a direct link instead of entering an email address. It is especially useful when you need to send the document in a chat, paste it into a message, or include it in a project update. When you click Share via Link, Pandadoc will generate a link on the screen. Take a moment to confirm you are still on the correct document before you copy anything, especially if you work with multiple similar files. Then copy the link provided. You can usually do this by using the copy button next to the link, or by highlighting the link and copying it using your computer's standard copy command. Now you can share that link wherever you need to. Paste it into an email, send it in a messaging app, or include it in your internal notes. For best results, send the link with a short description so the recipient knows what they are opening, such as the document name and that it is already signed. And that is all there is to it.